guys, welcome back. We are in the last vlog of 2023, so you know what that means. Clean, 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 clean. We are not going into this new year dirty. So we just went grocery shopping, but I want to clean out the refrigerator, get rid of everything that might be bad, anything like that. So I'm gonna get started on doing that. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. I feel like we have so much stuff from Christmas, people coming over, stuff we don't necessarily use. So I'm gonna go through and like trash all of that as well. And I really want to organize it so that like I want it to be better organized. I feel like it's just kind of thrown in there right now. So I'm actually allergic to Velveeta, or like it makes me so sick, so trashing that. Feel so much better. I feel like we need to get another one that goes like up there and we can put all of like the crab stuff in it. Alright, so this is literally my favorite breakfast in the world. We have breakfast tacos, the turkey sausage, and eggs. And I love putting this Cholula hot sauce on top of it, the green pepper one. It is so good. No calories. So the next thing I'm going to tackle is upstairs. Nick is playing video games right now with his brother, so I was like, well, I'll just clean upstairs, like don't worry about cleaning the downstairs. We can take a break from that. So I'm going to be just organizing. We have all of our like boxes that our Christmas gifts came in, so I'm gonna redo that, put things away and try to reorganize a little bit, not too much. Take those bags down, like organize, go through my books, see what I can get rid of and things like that. See what I'm gonna give away. Maybe I'll give away some on my Instagram or something. I know there are a couple of books that I still need to read, ones I've already read, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm being a total creep, but I had no idea my neighbors had a Dalmatian. I can't remember the last time I've even like seen a Dalmatian, but how adorable is he? I think it's a boy. How adorable is he? So I just made the bed. It looks so nice. I'm waiting on these pillows. I just washed them, but I got new pillows for us. They are so comfy, so I will make sure to link them in my Amazon in the description. They're from Amazon. They were really inexpensive for a king size bed. I think it was only like $35 for both pillows. Just got home and the ground is freezing, so I'm gonna put on some slippers to try to make this like Chipotle Greek yogurt dressing for that, and then we're gonna make Chipotle like bowls for dinner. Cilantro, garlic, and lime, and Greek yogurt. I'm gonna use the blender. This looks so good. This looks like it's really straight from Chipotle. it's a little later in the evening and I'm going to clean out our linen and towel section. Hopefully it doesn't take too much time. I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I go through and organize. All right, so it's actually the next morning and my clip of how the linen closet turned out didn't get recorded for now. But I put our toilet paper in here just so it's easier for like if someone's in the guest bathroom to use it as well. And then right here, I'm going to put all of the cleaning mats, and these are actually reusable table napkins as well as a liner, so I figured those can go in there as well. And then here we have washcloths, towels. Right here is like all of like the quote-unquote dirty towels that we use more so for like cleaning or like as a floor mat or something. We don't need to grab as much, or if we do, it's like a one-time thing and we like don't really need it. I think it looks so much better. All right, everyone, it is a couple days later. I'm actually editing the vlog right now, but I did just want to say that I was actually very embarrassed to upload this vlog. I felt like my skin looked really bad and I feel like I look genuinely so overweight. However, I can't let that stop me from like actually doing what I want to do, because you know, like I had a breakout. Everyone has a breakout, and like knowing my skin, like I just scar really easily. So I was just really embarrassed about the way that I look, but I didn't want to just keep putting it off because of like how I look, or my hair doesn't look perfect, or my skin doesn't look perfect, because if you wait for perfect, you're really never going to start whatever journey that is. And for me, like I feel like I've put off actually trying to commit to YouTube for so long because I feel like I don't look like a lot of the other YouTubers that I personally look up to. But then when I look back and I realize, you know, this is where they are now, not how they started. So if you guys are, I just wanted to say that if you guys are thinking about starting this journey too, and you're, you know, like somewhat of a perfectionist like I am, you can't let the little things that, like, you can't let the little things prevent you from actually doing what you want. Because if you think about it, if you wait like, oh, I'm just gonna wait till my skin clears, and your skin doesn't clear for 2 months, that's like 2 months of growth you limited yourself on because you didn't like how you looked on camera for whatever reason. So I just want to say that, you know, 1% better every day really does make a difference in the long run, and you can't compare yourself to like where other people are in their journey. So that is why it's okay if I come on here and my hair isn't done or I have a blemish somewhere. Like, that's okay. It's just starting. So I really wanted to just like keep this in here to let you guys know that you know, it's a struggle with everyone, and you're gonna get to the point where you want to be eventually, but you won't get there unless you start. So hopefully this can be some motivation for you guys to just keep going and go after your dreams, whatever those may be. So hopefully this can show you guys that just the reality of starting, like, it's not always going to be perfect, and that's something that I have to learn as well. But I really do appreciate everyone taking the time to just sit and watch, because we have short attention spans. So I'm just really grateful, and I'm actually very proud of myself that I just started, so without worrying about everything being perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to the new year and you're motivated to do the things that you really want to do. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.